We are cooking chestnuts and how to make malako. No soft that chestnuts. We must cut. We must cut like
just
this.
a little bit, and we put in the oven for 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and it's soft and super healthy. They have a lot of vitamins.
Okay.
Chestnuts are the best for the winter. I love them, especially the fire. If you had a fireplace, it's so nice with a liqueur or some wine. But Mercy doesn't like to drink anything, just water.
And we put here.
These are a bit small. I didn't find big, but in the supermarket sometimes they sell bigger, which is better. But anyway, the taste is very good.
And how many minutes in the oven?
35.
35. Now we
30
put.
with
Now we put now.
Yes.
Or yes. Okay.
and we show them after. So simple and nice.
Okay, only 30 minutes and then it's ready. I boil also vegetable for the kids, carrots and broccoli. The chestnut is not ready yet. Have only 4 minutes. I show you also the cake that my employer make yesterday. My employer love cooking, and she learned me how to cook, but it's not easy. Okay. The ingredients of this cake is nuts, carrots, and all purposes of arena, orange, and baking powder. Hindi ko na alam ang iba kung anong inilagay yung amo ko. Ayun, habang nagluluto, hinihintay yung yung washing machine na matapos at i-dry yung cloth. Ayan. Nilagyan ko yung timer na para 5 minutes lang i-boil yung carrots at saka at saka yung broccoli. Ayan, kung gusto nyong kopyahin ng ng design ng cabinet sa kusina, ayan. At saka itong ref namin nga pala, akala mo yan pag hindi mo binuksan at hindi mo nakikita yung loob, parang hindi ref yan. Parang lang, cabinet lang siya. Pero pag binuksan mo yan, ref. Kasi nakalagay sa cabinet yung mga ang ref dito, tingnan nyo. Ayan, ref yan. Ito naman ang hirap buksan. Ayan ang freezer. Freezer yan. Ang ganda, naka-fix lahat ng mga dito yon. Mga ref, mga washing machine. Ayan. Hindi mo na mahalatan na ref yan. Kasi parang cabinet lang. Pati yung mga washing machine nila, ang ganda, naka-fix na lahat. Washing machine ng plato. Nakalagay lahat sa cabinet. Ayan. Pati din yung oven, nakalagay sa loob ng ng cabinet din. Ayan. Makalat ang kusina namin. Ayan ang lamisa namin. Simple lang ang bahay. Ngayon niluluto na natin yung yung chicken na kakainin yung alaga kong bata. Ayan oh, hindi na kailangan lagyan ng ano ng oil. I-grill mo lang siya na ganyan. Ano yung pitso ng manok yan. Pagkain ng alaga ko. Kasi yan ang gusto niyang kainin parati. Manok. Hindi mo na lalagyan ng mantika. Binabad lang yan ng ano, ng konting olive oil, konting asin, at saka bawang para mabango. Sa mga nagda-diet, magandang ano, pagkain sa mga nagda-diet ang ganitong loto ng manok. Itikad natin. Ayan, tapos ng luto. Papatayin na natin yung oven. Yung ano, kalan pala. Ayan, already ang pagkain ng alaga ko. Ayan. Dalawa sila. Kaya dalawang plato. Carrots na boil, at saka broccoli, at saka cucumber, at saka noodles, at saka manok. Ayan. Ayan, malapit nang maluto yung ano. 15 minutes more. Saan na yan? 15 minutes more, ayan. Kasi 30 minutes bago maluto yung ano, chestnuts.